Demonstration. Repeating the demonstration. Form 1. Stomp and center punch. Stomp and center punch. Lift your right foot. Then touch your toes to the ground. Meanwhile, naturally circle both hands in front of your chest. Stomp down with your right foot. Step forward with your left foot into a small horse stance. After circling both hands once in front of your chest, pull your right hand to your waist and strike forward with explosive power. Using the show hand punch. Strike out and quickly retract it. Demonstration. Demonstration. Repeated. End of demonstration.